In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to use TubeLab's Niche Finder to find untapped niches on YouTube for faceless YouTube automation channels. I'll go over every feature that TubeLab offers, and there are quite a few of them, show you how it works so that by the end of this video, you will be able to use TubeLab to find niches that you can go into. So right here we have the TubeLab dashboard. Now you will see you have different tabs. You have the Niche Finder, which is the main thing we'll be covering in this video. They have Outliers, bookmarks, and under more you have some more features and even some AI automation features, for example a Claude integration, as well as an N8N automation that you can use for integrating with N8N. So keep in mind you do also have all of these features, but in this video I'm going to go over the Niche Finder. So in the Niche Finder you have different tabs. You have recently found and profitable channels, you have recently found and trending channels. So trending is based on the amount of views they get, profitable is based on the amount of money they make. So you can see an estimate of the money a channel makes, and this is not just a standard RPM of $2. They actually look at the channel and estimate what kind of RPM they are probably getting, and based on that it calculates the revenue. Then you have automated niche report, which is pretty cool. So if you click into these, you can see this is a full-on report of a niche with video examples. You can see the niches, insights, then the AI analysis, so working topics, title formulas, opportunities. So these are actual videos you can do, such as abandoned historical castle networks across Eastern Europe. And these are video ideas that they have come up with, or the AI has. They also have a competition overview where you can see the channels in this niche. So this is great for just mapping out a niche, seeing what channels are currently getting views, and based on that you can decide if it's overly competitive or if you think you can add something to the niche. But there's an easier way to find untapped niches. So basically what these sections here are they are preset filters showing you channels that match those filters. But what you can also do is just search by your own filters. If you click search by filters, you can set a bunch of filters right here, such as views per hour, only show channels with consistent views. You can go by content authenticity, the content kind being long or short form. You can only show potentially faceless channels. You can filter by total videos, video duration, typical views, average views per subscriber, views all time, subscribers, and much more. But in my opinion, the best set of filters is one they've already created, being recently found and profitable channels. The reason for that is if you look at recently found and trending channels, these channels are getting more views overall. This one, for example, 10.8k average views, whereas this one 6.1k. But this channel is making $243 since it looks like they do some kind of anime videos, whereas this one is probably higher RPM and it's making 3.9k compared to $243. So I would look at the profitable channels, and there's a really good example right here of a channel that you could really easily copy. Now, to be honest, all of these are great, but the one I'm talking about is this one right here, Aussie Finance with Luke. So this is about Australian finance. They currently have 28 total videos. If you go and take a look at their channel, they only started pretty recently. If we go by oldest, 4 weeks ago, you can see 1.6k views, 60k, 390. For a new channel, they are getting pretty good views. But if you actually look at their channel stats, you can see they get between about 10 and 30,000 views per day, averaging over 20,000 views per day. Now I think this channel easily has an RPM of $10 because it has an Australian audience and it's about finance. So those two combined, I think it could be $10 or $15 even, but assuming it's a $10 RPM, that means that this channel is making 20 times $10 per day is $200 a day, which is $6,000 per month on a channel with less than 3,000 subscribers. So that's the kind of thing that you can find using TubeLab. You can see there's countless examples right here, all kinds of different niches that you could copy, but this one is especially good because it's about Australia. It has a specific country. You could copy this across any country. For example, you could do Canada, you could do Switzerland, whatever high RPM country you can think of. You could even do United States, whatever you want to do, or even a specific state. So an example of what they had here by their popular videos was what retirement looked like with a $2 million portfolio in Australia. Naturally, this is going to attract viewers who are kind of in that situation or are looking to be in that situation, which is probably older Australians which have a huge RPM. But you could easily copy this to, for example, what retirement looks like with a $2 million portfolio in California or New York, covering different states, or even what retirement looks like with a $2 million portfolio in every state. Something like that would probably do really well, and this is just a quick niche that I've found in the last 5 minutes using TubeLab. So this is how I would use it. Just use this filter, the new and profitable channels. They have already built it out for you, recently found and profitable channels. This is the best place to look. But if you do have some more specific filters you want to add, just search by filters, and over time you can also use this. So you can filter by profitable channels, sort by relevance, average views, etc. Set the language. You also have categories such as finance, fitness, gaming, productivity, etc. And you can save filters to use them more often. Now TubeLab, if you pay per month, I think is 29 euros a month. If you do annual billing, I think it drops by about 50%, going down to around 15 euros per month, which is a pretty insane deal. So if you haven't yet bought your subscription, I'll leave a link down in the description, and I would 100% recommend it. Now again, they do have a lot more features. You can go by Outliers, where you will see only outlier videos. For example, every Japanese weapon explained. They have 3.7k subs and 67k views. And there's a ton of examples just like this right here, so you can also use this tab pretty well for finding video ideas. And there's one more thing I want to show right here under more. You have the title formulas. So this is also very helpful. If we filter by, let's say, popular, we can see can X stop A. And if you go by detailed, you can see some examples why the US can't stop a war with Iran, or $X versus $X. I think Mr. Beast does this a lot. But you can also filter by trend. So these are trending. For example, you've probably seen this one, your life as X, your life as a World War II soldier at every rank, your life as, and you can see there are a bunch more right here. You can also click open videos on a certain title formula, and it will show you only those kinds of videos. You can see these do all look pretty much the same, which is interesting, but that's another helpful feature inside of TubeLab. There is a ton more to explore right here, such as N8N automation, cloud integration, the YouTube monetization checker, Chrome extension. You also have a video extractor, rank checker, and more. But for now, I mainly wanted to go over the niche finder, which we've now done. And if you would like to get started with TubeLab, I'll leave a link down in the description where you can get started. And if this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.